Okay, so I've taken this all apart again, and I just took this flat dolly here, or well, profile dolly, and I held it under the edge, just back a little bit from the edge, and then I took a hammer and I just tapped this over a little bit, just ever so slightly, because I've trimmed this pretty much to the edge of the patch panel, but it overlaps just a little bit, just a tiny little bit, like less than a 1/16 of an inch. So I just want it to go down flush a little better. And so I'm hoping that by doing this, it'll just help it to lay down. Actually, I'm going to, I noticed there's a spot there. I'm just gonna hit it again. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. So what I did was I just laid this inside here. I'm using the curved side because this is a slightly curved panel. I don't want to flatten it out. So right there's a little spot that's not quite. That's all I did. I just go along the edge and tap it over. Now when the patch panel comes along, it'll flush out with the rest of with this area over here. So that's feeling pretty good now. I can actually doubt if you could see it on camera, but I can see that that's folded over there now.